Cheapest home remedies. With any home remedy, it is extremely important that you understand thoroughly what is involved before you actually get started. Many remedies that might seem to be cheap are actually really expensive, and others that can seem extremely pricey are actually really cheap. In order to actually determine if a home remedy is within your budget, you need to first start studying the actual supplies that are called for, but have no fear. Most home remedies are extremely reasonably priced, and you can typically find the supplies already around your home. For the majority of home remedies, there will be a few items needed. A basic toolkit will be highly effective in ensuring that you are well prepared for any home remedy that you need to attempt. Some of the most common household supplies work well in most home remedies and can be easily purchased for a very reasonable fee. Never buy anything that you are unfamiliar with and just start mixing. This is particularly true in the event of some household chemicals, since you may accidentally create a massive dangerous science experiment in your own house. One of the most common problems that occurs is the presence of a burn of some sort. Most people, when they have a burn, will reach for a bottle of expensive gel. This is intended to help relieve the pain of the burn and soothe the skin. However, there is a much cheaper alternative. Your first choice is to start looking to items such as aloe vera plants, or even within the kitchen. Such foods like mustard and even milk are wonderful to help. Most people will tend to avoid mustard though, due to the color changing that can occur from prolonged usage. However, it works wonderfully in a pinch. Other common remedies include using baby powder to help absorb any excessive sweat as well as soothe chafing skin. This is something that is extremely common, especially amongst younger children, and is frequently continued on until the child grows up. Most adults do tend to forget about this particular home remedy until they are reminded. Ensuring that an ample supply of baby powder is in the house is typically quite effective in ensuring that there are no problems or complications with a rash or chafing that is unexpected. Acne is a problem that many adults battle for years. To combat it cheaply, using simple toothpaste at nights is extremely effective. The active ingredients in the toothpaste will work to dry out the acne sore and help to clear it up in just a couple of days. In contrast, most acne treatments are extremely expensive and can require a large amount of money as well as time invested into the treatment plan in order to even begin to see improvements. This is not a process that is always effective for all skin types, but it is still possible to produce at least minor improvements. The absolute cheapest home remedy that you will find is for headaches. This involves nothing more than your own hands. Millions of people swear by using acupressure to help relieve the excessive pain of headaches. In order to obtain the full benefit, it is important to take the time to carefully learn where the pressure points in the hand are. As long as you are clear on the location of the pressure points in the hand, you should have great success using this method. It is also important to realize that knowing the correct amount of pressure to use is also vital to knowing the actual placement. With these two key pieces of knowledge, relief from your next headache could be only moments away. There is no reason to suffer any longer from excessive headaches. A free solution is readily available. As you can see, there are several things that you would typically keep around the house. Some are common remedies and others are much less popular. All of them are extremely affordable and work well to ensure that you are getting the best benefits possible for yourself and your wallet. For more health advice, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to turn on the notification button to be notified of the new videos from us.